Okay, Jody, I'm going to try to get this in. It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see something that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the breath before you make it. You start to freeze, and terror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is thrill love night, and nothing's gonna save you from the beast about to strike. You know it's thrill love night. You're fighting for your life inside this killer night. You hear the door slam and realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold hand and wonder if you'll ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. All the while, the creature's creeping up from inside. You're out of time, 'cause this is thrill love night, and no one's gonna stop from the beast with 40 eyes. You know it's thrill love night. You're fighting for your life inside this killer night. Night creatures crawl, and the dead start to walk in their masquerade. There's no escaping the jaws of creatures tonight. You're out of time. You're out of time. They're out to get you. They will possess you unless you change that number on the dial. Now is the time for you and I to snuggle close together. All the while, I'll save you from the terror on the screen. I'll make you see, 'cause this is thrill love night. I know who could. Thrill love night. You're fighting for the life inside this. Tried it, Jody. I'm working on it. It's the 8th. I got till the 31st. Hope you like what I got so far, man. I'm working on it, working on the lyrics. Dude, rock on. See ya.